Dr. Philip Ploska is a nationally renowned board-certified orthopedic surgeon at Regenerative Orthopedics and Spine Institute. Dr. Ploska graduated from Vanderbilt University with a double major in mathematics and chemistry and earned his medical degree from the prestigious Georgetown University School of Medicine in Washington, D.C. He completed his orthopedic surgery residency at the University of Virginia Hospitals in Charlottesville, Virginia. Dr. Ploska specializes in the surgical and non-surgical treatment of spine disorders and occupational injuries, as well as arthroscopic surgery and joint replacement. As a researcher in orthopedics, he has pioneered cutting-edge treatment for orthopedic and spine disorders, such as sacroiliac fusion, mesenchymal cell treatment, and the latest developments in regenerative medicine to treat various musculoskeletal conditions. Notable accomplishments in Dr. Ploska's career include being selected as one of Atlanta's top docs by Atlanta Magazine. He has also been named a top regional doctor in orthopedic surgery by Castle Connolly since 2011. Dr. Ploska can help you achieve optimal outcomes with less downtime and a faster recovery. He works closely with each patient to develop a personalized treatment plan that addresses their unique needs, and he's committed to delivering compassionate care every step of the way. If you or a family member is ready to take the first step toward a healthier, more active lifestyle, schedule a consultation with Dr. Philip Ploska today. He's ready to help you get back to doing the things you love with less pain and more confidence than ever before.
My name is Jennifer Berry, and I'm a paraprofessional in pre-K, and this is my iFuse story. I actually had been having some back pain for about a year, and I had gone through chiropractors, and I had actually woke up on a Tuesday, and I had no feeling in my right side at all. I couldn't get out of bed. And I went to my family doctor, and she immediately sent me to Dr. Ploska's office.
My name is Dr. Philip G. Ploska. I'm an orthopedic surgeon practicing in suburban Atlanta. The name of my practice is Regenerative Orthopedics and Spine Institute. Miss Berry came in, she had seen other physicians, and she was in horrible condition. She was crying in the fetal position. I was in tears. He described it as I was like an infant. I would go in crying, I couldn't sit. I can remember coming to the office, she was going to be a tough case to cure, but when I examined her, her MRI wasn't too impressive, but she was so tender on her SI joint, and all the maneuvers we do during the physical exam were positive on her. He kept saying, I believe it's your SI. I kept telling him I feel like I'm 9 months pregnant and the baby's ready to drop. The pressure was in that area. Most people point right to that area, kind of the top of the butt, where they have their pain. They'll refer to it sometimes to the hip, sometimes to the back. She was a teacher, and we had to put her out on disability. She was unable to work.
It's very physical. I move a lot throughout the day. I'm bending down a lot. I'm helping children zip their coat, book bags. I'm here to assist the lead teacher, and so I have to be moving quite a bit so she can do her job.
She couldn't really function to take care of her children, and she was in really bad shape.
My husband is a police officer. It's a very stressful job, and for me to be going through this, he had to help take care of the girls and me. It was a lot of stress on him. My daughters are used to me being active and being able to do stuff, and I couldn't. I was literally on the couch for 6 months. I couldn't get up to go to the bathroom.
We always start with physical therapy, bracing, which can help a lot of the cases. Sometimes they'll get better with injection alone, and we'll repeat the injection a few times. Surgery is always the last resort.
And he said, I want to give you an injection in your SI and see if that gives you relief. I actually had it, and I was feeling like I was able to walk. I could come drop the girls off, I could pick them up. He said, we'll do another one, and then it was even more relief. And he said, yes, I definitely, we're going to go ahead with the surgery.
We now have a minimally invasive outpatient procedure through a very small incision to stabilize the sacroiliac joint that really should be immobile. So we put 3 triangular implants to bridge the joint, to basically bring the joint together and eventually lead to fusion of that joint. I use the iFuse implant system from a company by the name of SI Bone. If it wasn't for SI Bone, our treatment for the SI joint would be still so limited. It has made a significant difference in our ability to treat and care for patients with injuries and disease to the sacroiliac joint. Typically, after we perform surgery on the SI joint, patients go home the same day. We have them take it easy that day. The next day, we have them up on a walker. We usually recommend taking it easy for about 4 weeks after surgery. And sometimes we do physical therapy and sometimes not. Sometimes they're doing so well post-operatively that they don't need anything. They're so much better already.
I didn't even go to physical therapy. Like, he suggested it, would you feel more confident? And I said, no, I don't need to. I did exactly what my doctors told me to do. And I was very patient about it, and I waited until they told me, okay, now you can do the next step, the next step. And I think that's why I healed very quickly.
My philosophy is to try to take care of patients like they're my family.
They almost felt like family to me. They really did. You know, it was almost a year that they were my life, and I was glad to see them go, but they'll always be special to me, you know.
It's such a good feeling, especially in the situation with the SI joint, because it's so easy to do, and it's so quickly, it heals so quickly. It's such a quick reward for the patient to see them. They can go through years of pain and being undiagnosed or misdiagnosed, and to finally cure their problem is a wonderful feeling. It truly is.
To think a doctor would mean that much to you, but he gave me my life back, and they did too.
So if you're watching this video and you think you have problems with your sacroiliac joint, feel free to call my office for an appointment. We also have appointments that can be booked online.
Dr. Stephen Rayappa is a distinguished board-certified orthopedic surgeon at the Regenerative Orthopedics and Spine Institute. Dr. Rayappa's impressive academic credentials include graduating with distinction from the University of Pittsburgh School of Medicine. He completed his rigorous orthopedic surgery residency at Albany Medical Center in New York, followed by a highly sought-after sports medicine fellowship at the renowned Miami Orthopedics and Sports Medicine Institute under the guidance of Dr. Uribe. Dr. Rayappa is an expert in the field of orthopedic surgery and has a wealth of experience in his profession. He has previously served as the assistant team physician for the Miami Heat, Miami Dolphins, and Florida International University football, providing expert care to some of the nation's most elite athletes. In addition, he has provided medical coverage for high-profile sporting events such as the FedEx Orange Bowl, Miami Beach Bowl, and NCAA MAAC tournament. As a proud member of the Arthroscopy Association of North America, the American Orthopedic Society for Sports Medicine, and the American Academy of Orthopedic Surgeons, Dr. Rayappa remains at the forefront of this field, constantly keeping abreast of the latest techniques and advancements in the industry. Dr. Rayappa's extensive expertise encompasses a wide array of orthopedic specialties, including the reconstruction of the anterior cruciate ligament, ACL, repair of the rotator cuff, labral repair, and repair and reconstruction of tendons and ligaments. He is also proficient in performing unicompartmental knee replacements and shoulder resurfacing. As a highly skilled orthopedic surgeon, Dr. Rayappa's clinical specialties include knee surgery, hip surgery, shoulder surgery, and arthroscopic knee and shoulder surgery. He is also an expert in upper and lower extremity sports medicine, orthopedic trauma, fracture care, and regenerative medicine. Don't let joint pain or injuries keep you from living your best life. Trust in the expertise of Dr. Stephen Rayappa. His extensive knowledge and surgical experience make him the perfect choice for your treatment. Don't wait to get back to the activities you love. Schedule your appointment with Dr. Rayappa today and take the first step towards regaining your mobility and quality of life. Dr. Julio Petalon is an American board-certified orthopedic spine surgeon. Dr. Petalon specializes in treating a variety of disorders affecting the cervical, thoracic, and lumbar spine, such as herniated discs, deformity, revision surgery, and disease of the sacroiliac joint. He also performs general orthopedic surgery. Dr. Petalon evaluates each patient individually, offering both non-operative and surgical treatment plans to help alleviate acute and chronic pain, as well as associated neurological symptoms. When surgery is necessary, he uses both open and minimally invasive techniques to provide optimal results and recovery. Dr. Petalon earned his doctorate of medicine from Tufts University School of Medicine in Boston, Massachusetts. He completed his internship and orthopedic surgery residency at the Naval Medical Center in Portsmouth, Virginia, followed by a combined orthopedic and neurosurgical spine fellowship at the Norton Leatherman Spine Center at the University of Louisville School of Medicine in Louisville, Kentucky. Dr. Petalon has served in various capacities, including as a staff orthopedic spine surgeon at the Naval Medical Center, where he treated active military, veterans, and elite SEAL teams. He has authored published works in peer-reviewed spine and orthopedic journals, and has presented at numerous national and international spine conferences. Dr. Petalon is also a member of several professional organizations, including the American Academy of Orthopedic Surgeons, Society of Military Orthopedic Surgeons, North American Spine Society, Georgia Medical Association, and Southern Orthopedic Association. In addition to English, Dr. Petalon is fluent in Spanish. He has expertise in minimally invasive surgery, total disc replacement, endoscopic spine surgery, cervical and lumbar spine surgery, kyphoplasty, spinal cord stimulator, revision and failed back surgery, and orthopedic trauma. Trust Dr. Petalon to help you manage your spinal condition and improve your quality of life. Dr. Craig Acko is a highly skilled orthopedic surgeon specializing in sports medicine and foot and ankle orthopedic conditions. He received his undergraduate degrees in cellular biology and psychology from the University of Georgia and subsequently completed his medical education at the Medical College of Georgia. He then completed his orthopedic surgery residency at the University of Iowa and completed his sports medicine fellowship at the University of Wisconsin and his foot and ankle fellowship at Duke University. With over a decade of experience in the field of orthopedics, Dr. Acko has developed a unique set of skills that enable him to perform a variety of procedures in the hip, knee, ankle, and foot. Some of the procedures he provides include ankle replacement, bunion surgery, Achilles tendon repair, ankle arthroscopy, knee cartilage restoration, ligament reconstruction, and postless hip arthroscopy, hip preservation procedures. Dr. Acko is a highly respected researcher with over 40 peer-reviewed manuscripts, book chapters, and abstracts published, and has presented over 30 academic papers at national conferences. He is also a reviewer for the American Journal of Sports Medicine and Journal of Arthroscopy. Currently, Dr. Acko serves as a sports medicine and foot and ankle surgeon at ROSI, the Regenerative Orthopedics and Spine Institute.
He has a passion for advocating for his patients and is dedicated to educating them about their care to help them make informed decisions about their health. If you're in need of an orthopedic surgeon specializing in sports medicine and foot and ankle orthopedic conditions, Dr. Craig Acko is the one to trust. With over a decade of experience and a unique set of skills, he can perform a variety of procedures to help you get back to your previous activity level, lifestyle, or sport. Contact him today to schedule an appointment and take the first step towards a more active, happier you. At the Regenerative Orthopedics and Spine Institute, ROSI, our physicians are assisted by a support team dedicated to providing exceptional care for patients seeking treatment for orthopedic conditions. Lisa Sims is a board-certified family nurse practitioner who has worked closely with Dr. Ploska for over 15 years. Her extensive experience in treating orthopedic conditions in adults and children has made her an invaluable member of the ROSI team. With Lisa's expertise in the full spectrum of non-surgical treatment options for various orthopedic disorders and her active involvement in professional organizations such as the American Academy of Nurse Practitioners, you can trust that you are in capable hands. In addition to Lisa, we have Marie Evans, a board-certified physician assistant with experience in SI joint dysfunction. Marie's background as a radiology technologist gives her a unique perspective when it comes to orthopedic care, ensuring a comprehensive approach to your treatment. In addition, she is an active member of prestigious organizations like the American Academy of Physician Assistants and the Georgia Association of Physician Assistants, demonstrating her dedication to staying at the forefront of orthopedic advancements. Completing our team is Desiree Riley, an experienced nurse practitioner with a remarkable track record of diagnosing and treating pain conditions. With over 15 years of experience, Desiree utilizes a range of cutting-edge methods, including medication management, joint injections, spinal cord stimulation, ketamine therapy, and platelet-rich plasma. Her credentials from Walden University and recognition as the AJC Nurse of the Year in Atlanta validate her expertise and commitment to exceptional patient care. At ROSI, we are passionate about helping you regain your mobility, alleviate pain, and improve your overall quality of life. Our team of dedicated clinical support professionals, along with our doctors, form a team that is dedicated to the care of our patients. Trust ROSI for exceptional orthopedic care that puts your needs first. At Regenerative Orthopedics and Spine Institute, we go beyond exceptional patient care. Our highly experienced physical therapy team works hand in hand with our clinical experts, integrating surgical precision with the healing power of physical therapy. This unified approach delivers optimal outcomes for every patient. Meet the seasoned physical therapists who make seamless, comprehensive care their top priority. Their compassionate dedication will empower you to reclaim your strength and resume your active lifestyle. At ROSI, your satisfaction is our shared mission. Leading ROSI's skilled physical therapy team is Director Douglas Hatterman, with over 15 years of experience. Douglas is passionate about working with athletes to enhance competitive performance. Over the years, he has become a trusted expert known for his dedication to patient health and education. Douglas strongly believes in empowering patients by thoroughly explaining their conditions and customized therapy plans. By addressing all questions and concerns, he ensures patients can actively participate in their own recoveries. Douglas represents ROSI's commitment to compassionate, patient-centered care. Under his leadership, ROSI physical therapists provide the knowledge and support patients need to heal, regain strength, and return to their active lifestyles. Bringing over 3 decades of rehab expertise to ROSI is physical therapy specialist Glendora Hurst. Highly respected by her peers, Glendora is beloved by patients for her deep understanding of physical therapy treatments. Glendora creates customized treatment plans tailored to each patient's needs. Her kind, compassionate approach puts patients at ease through every step of their recovery journey. Glendora represents the outstanding level of care that patients can expect from ROSI's talented physical therapy team. Rounding out our team is Lakeisha Hill, a physical therapy assistant devoted to supporting patients' recoveries. Lakeisha's encouragement empowers patients to regain mobility and resume their active lifestyles. She represents the expert, patient-focused care that is the hallmark of our exceptional physical therapy team. At Regenerative Orthopedics and Spine Institute, your physical wellness is our top priority. Our integrated approach unites our surgical and physical therapy teams to provide coordinated, efficient care. We are dedicated to helping you reclaim an active, pain-free lifestyle. Our compassionate experts work closely with you through every step of treatment and therapy to achieve your optimal recovery. Trust us to develop a customized plan, tailored to your unique needs and goals. Let our seamless collaboration between surgery and physical therapy empower you to reclaim your health. To schedule an appointment with our exceptional physical therapy team, call or conveniently request an appointment online today. At Regenerative Orthopedics and Spine Institute, your satisfaction is our measure of success.